We're going to do the crown and bridge procedures. We've removed the natural unprepared tooth from the 2-1 and placed a prepared tooth. We also did the same in quadrant 3, that we put in prepared teeth for our bridge that goes from the 3-6 to the 3-4. We're going to place wax into the socket from where the 3-5 was, so that when we go to make our temporary bridge, we don't get acrylic down into the hole. So like any other procedure, we're going to start by placing the topical anesthetic, and the dentist would have given the actual local anesthetic to start our procedure. Once that's finished, we would take our shade guide, and we need to determine the shade. The shades for Dexter are not like these shades, so we're just going to randomly pick a shade and call it that shade. So the shade that we're going to pick today is going to be a 6C or a 440. We're going to place this to the side and make sure that we keep it for later when we fill out our prescription. The next thing that I have done is I've taken my high-speed handpiece and I've prepared it with a diamond burr for my dentist. I'm going to start first by passing my Mirror and Explorer to determine that my patient is sufficiently numb. The dentist will then take the high-speed handpiece, and I'm going to take my high-volume suction and my air water syringe, and we're going to pretend to prepare these teeth. The assistant would suction while the dentist prepares. For our purposes at Columbia College, we do not want the students to touch a burr to the prepared teeth because you will alter the preparation. If we were doing the bridge, we would do the same thing on the lower in preparing the lower teeth. Once the preparations are complete, the dentist would leave the area while the dental assistant packs the gingival retraction cord. If you're unsure how to do this, please go to our gingival retraction cord videos on learning how to pack gingival retraction cord.